There are moments in science when what we don't see becomes the story we told ourselves. For as long as we have stared at the stars, we've tried to write a rulebook for the cosmos. We came to believe that for all its chaos, the universe followed certain laws. Stars are born, they live, they die. Galaxies form, they merge, they grow, and at the heart of almost every great galaxy, including our own, lurks a supermassive black hole. These are not your everyday black holes. They are titans, millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun. For decades, the impossible object. As part of its mission, the jwst is conducting the Cosmos Webb survey, a program designed to map a vast patch of the sky and create a 3D map of the universe. It was here that two scientists, Peter van Dokkum of Yale and Gabriel Brammer of the University of Copenhagen, found something truly bizarre while sifting through the data. They nicknamed it the Infinity Galaxy, and it's easy to see why. The object appears as two compact, reddish lobes, each surrounded by a stellar ring. This strange shape is a clue to its violent past. What the team believes was a head-on collision between two massive spiral galaxies. But the team looked closer, pulling in data from other powerful a cosmic horror story. What the James Webb Telescope may have uncovered is the first direct observational evidence for a chilling and long-theorized process known as a direct collapse black hole. It's a heretical idea that has lurked in the background of astrophysics for years, a way to explain how supermassive black holes could exist so shockingly early in the universe. While the standard model is a story of slow growth, direct collapse is a cosmic horror story of monstrous birth. A cosmic horror story, it bypasses the stellar phase entirely, skipping straight to the end. In one terrifying, violent event, a supermassive black hole is born directly from the void. It is not grown, it is summoned. The head-on collision of the two galaxies created an immense shockwave, compressing the gas between them to an incredible density. This appears to have created the perfect storm of dense, not of gas, that became so gravitationally unstable it collapsed in on itself, giving birth to the million solar mass monster we now see. As lead researcher Peter van Dokkum stated, we think we're re-witnessing the birth of a supermassive black hole, something that has never been seen before. Forget the death of a single star. Instead, imagine a truly colossal cloud of primordial gas in the early universe, a cloud with a mass of hundreds of thousands of suns. If your mind is as blown as mine is right now, and you want to stay on the cutting edge of what humanity is discovering in the cosmos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The universe is revealing its secrets faster than ever, and you won't want to miss what comes next. A universe of impossibilities. The Infinity Galaxy and its terrifying black hole are not an isolated case. Everywhere the James Webb Telescope looks, it finds things that mock our old models. It's as if we've been looking at the universe through a keyhole. Located about 4.5 billion light-years away, this cluster is so massive that its gravity warps the very fabric of space-time around it. This creates a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, where the cluster acts like a giant cosmic magnifying glass, bending and amplifying the light from even more distant galaxies hiding behind it. And Webb has finally kicked the door wide open, revealing a landscape far stranger than we ever imagined. Take its observations of a galaxy cluster called Able S1063. In a landmark achievement, the telescope captured its first ever direct image of a gas giant named HIP 65426b. Using a specialized instrument called a coronagraph, to block the blinding light of the planet's host star, astronomers revealed a faint, separate point of light, the planet itself. While this planet was first discovered in 2017, we began with a single, terrifying object, a galaxy shaped like an infinity symbol, harboring a black hole that should not exist. This one discovery, a smoking gun found by the James Webb Space Telescope, has forced us to confront a new, more violent reality. The idea of direct collapse means that from the very beginning, the cosmos has been capable of summoning its monsters into existence, not through patient construction, but through sudden, catastrophic birth. It finds ancient galaxies that grew up too fast and captures the light of distant worlds with breathtaking clarity. It is showing us that our neat and tidy models are just the first draft of a much longer, more complex, and far more inspiring story. For the first time, We have an eye in the sky capable of looking back to the dawn of time and witnessing the birth of cosmic structures. It is an instrument of profound revelation, showing us that the universe is not just stranger than we imagine. It is stranger than we can imagine. And the most exciting part is, it's only just begun. But the story is bigger than one black hole. As Webb continues to scan the heavens, it reveals a consistent pattern of defiance. We are living in a golden age of discovery. What other cosmic mysteries do you think the JWST will uncover? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.